So guys, now we'll be moving on to the question answers of this chapter. Let's begin. So the first question is, name some stick and ball games that you have witnessed or heard of. So some of the stick and ball games that we have witnessed or heard of are again cricket, hockey, polo, baseball. These are some of the games, right? You can also add more games if you know about them. So the next question is, the Parsis were the first Indian community to take up cricket. Why? It's very important to know this answer, right? Parsis were in direct close contact, close contact or direct contact with the Britishers because of their interest in trade. उनका बहुत ज़्यादा interest था trade में. That is why they became the first community of India that took part in the cricket, right? Now the next question is, the rivalry between the Parsis and the Bombay Gymkhana had a happy ending for the former. What does a happy ending refer to? So here the happy ending for the former means the person that we mentioned before is the Parsis. So it was a happy ending for the Parsis because Parsis had defeated the Bombay Gymkhana in a cricket match. So that's how they won it, and that was a happy ending for them. So the next question is, do you think cricket owes its current popularity to television? Justify your answer. Of course, cricket owes its current popularity to television because just because of television, nowadays you can see that cricket coverage is there even in the smallest towns, right? We've discussed that before also. In villages, in towns, cricket is right there. You can live stream it, you can see the live updates. So it's because of television that cricket has gained its popularity. Okay? Now, why has cricket a large viewership in India, not in China or Russia? So, communist countries like China and Russia, cricket is not played over there, and that is why India is the country which has large viewership of cricket matches, because even accruing to the reason that India started playing cricket so early, like in 1932 we have discussed, and people here in India playing cricket from such a long time, even when they did not get their independence, right? Whenever India was not even an independent country, people here are playing cricket since then. So that is why India is having a great viewership, right? So I hope it's clear to you guys. The next question is, what do you understand by the games, cricket's equipments? So cricket equipments, we discussed. So the first types of equipments are the accessories that are used in cricket. So the accessories would include the ball, the bat, the wickets, right? And then we are going to talk about the protective equipments. Now again, protective equipments that were made of materials, right? The synthetic materials, the lightweight materials, the protective equipments would include the gloves, the pads and the helmets. Okay. Now moving on to our next question, it says that how is a test cricket a unique game in many ways? So we see that a test cricket is unique in many ways. How? We've also discussed that it can go on for 5 days. Test cricket match 5 दिन तक चल सकता है, right? And it can also end in a draw. So therefore, there is no specified result. There can be a result, but there is also possibility कि वो match draw हो जाए और कोई भी specific result ना आए. So that is how it's very unique. Unlike in other games, if you see football match, it ends like in 90 minutes. So that is how a test cricket match is different from a football match or any other game, right? Not in particular just a football match. So the next question is, how is cricket different from the other team games? So while reading the text also, I explained to you guys that in this question, if you get any question like that in which you have to mention like how the game is different, you're going to mention the characteristics of that game, right? So it is different from other games in like what ways? So the first thing is you have to mention about the length of the pitch, which is again 22 yards. You have to learn this, right? The shape of the ground could be oval or circular. We are not defined. The shape is not defined, right? There is no specific measurement of the size of the ground as well. There is no specific measurement. It is the only game played for 5 days and can end without a specific result. That's what a test match is like. It can go on for 5 days and still it can end in a unspecified result. It could just draw between the two players, right? So moving on to the next question, how have advances in technology affected the game of cricket? So any advancement that has taken place in cricket, how has it brought about changes in cricket? So advancements in technology have been used in manufacturing protective equipments. You're also using lightweight materials, right? So the helmets are made up of metal and lightweight synthetic materials, right? And the newly invented vulcanized rubber has also been used in pads and gloves. So you need to remember these points, right? So I hope that the text as well as the question answers are clear to you guys. We'll be meeting in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.